Hello my friends, welcome to Bunny Tales. Today I'm going to show you how to make this fun and easy activity for your little ones. All you need are 2 sheets of paper towels, some markers, a paintbrush, or a water dropper. First you're going to write the alphabets, or numbers or shapes depending on what skill you're working on the first sheet of napkin paper. Next, you're going to take another piece of paper towel and you're going to put it right on top of the first one. Then you're going to take your markers and you're going to make an outline for the letters that you have underneath. Now this outline can match whatever theme you're working with. This is the first week of school, so we're going to be making apples because our theme is apples. But you can turn that into hearts if you're doing it during Valentine's, or you can turn it into pumpkins if you're doing it in the fall. Whatever you want to make the outline. This way, the child will know exactly where to drop the water, and it also distracts them from the little bit that might be showing from underneath. Now you can use either a water dropper and put the water in the middle of your outline, and now magically the letters underneath will appear, or you can use a paintbrush. Either way, the children are working on their fine motor skills. They're also working on letter recognition. I hope your little ones enjoy this activity. Please subscribe to Bunny Tales. Thank you!